What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping in today. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll leave it right here. It's just Jacob_the GM man. I just recently posted a picture of me talking about I may or may not have bought some new exhaust goodies for the 98. Well, one of them arrived, and we're actually going to be talking about it today. But I kind of want to just go over the current setup of what's on the truck and what's done to it right now. I've had a lot of questions here lately about what's done. So if you are new, or just to refresh your mind, this is my 1998 GMC K2500. It's got a built 350 in it. It's the 5.7 Vortec. It's, like I said, it's board 30 over, cam, just stuff like that. Because I do tow with this truck a lot, round bale, square bale, stuff like that. And I wanted it to have enough power to be actually get up and go and stuff. But as far as exhaust, we deleted the stock manifolds, not on there. We went with headers, and then it's 2.5 inch all the way back to a dual Flowmaster, knockoff Flowmaster. And then I did have 45s coming out right here on the back, but we went to Mom's one day, and I knew they were getting bad where they go over top of the axles. I knew it was getting bad at that point, that I actually had an exhaust leak. It actually ended up breaking. Jamie, if you want to follow me on this side real quick. Hopefully you'll be able to see. You might have to come right up in here. If you can see, that's the exhaust right there. That's just a turn down I put on. The other turn down actually fell off because this pipe here that my finger's on is 2 1/4, and this one right here is 2 1/2. So it's not even the exact same size piping. That's where those welds actually broke, where it went up and over. So I had a really bad ticking noise on it, and it was driving me nuts. So one day at Mom's, when I had Jimmy with me, we hacked the exhaust off and threw those turn downs on there. And I was contemplating taking it to a local exhaust shop, but they were going to charge me like $580 something, $600 around that mark, to run from the header, which is about right here, because it is long tube headers, in a full exhaust. And I was like, is that really worth it? I'm actually probably just going to save my money for now. I really need to get the body work done on this, and I'll take that $600 that I'm actually going to be saving on the exhaust and throwing it to paint or whatever else I need. So what I did, I'm actually going to be building the exhaust myself, and we're going to be jumping into that. I actually went ahead and ordered this stuff already. I ordered it all off Amazon, Amazon or eBay, one of the two. But I got a 16-piece piping kit, a new piece that's in there, and then 2 new tips. And we'll go ahead and jump over and start talking about that. So what we're gonna go with, guys, is this is I don't know if this was the 10 inch or the 12 inch. It is a True X pipe. So what that means is, if you can see in there, there's no chambers or nothing. It's exhaust goes in and comes out. This is actually going to be going in the place of the old knockoff Flowmaster. It's definitely going to be louder because the cats are deleted on this truck, but I'm hoping it kind of gives it a little bit of a rumble to it at the same time. It sounds good now. I'm not a huge fan of like glass packs and stuff like that because it is super crackly and it just reminds me of a rice burner. So I wanted something like this. I've looked up a lot of exhausts with like the 350s and these, and it kind of gives it a nice tone until you really want someone to hear you and you mash it and it screams. So we're gonna go with this. And then the kit I ordered for the piping, it's a 16-piece kit of 2.5 inch piping. It's got 4-foot section of straight pipe. It's got 4 like U-shape pieces. It's got 4 90-degree elbow bends, and then 4 45-degree bends. So we're actually going to be cutting it off somewhere up probably about where the cab is, throwing in the X pipe, because when you run an X pipe, they say you want it in about the middle of the truck to actually be able to get your horsepower gains and stuff. Guys say you can get anywhere from 5 to 15 horsepower gain out of this. I don't know if that's entirely true. I haven't dynoed the truck, and I probably won't ever dyno the truck because it probably makes 250-ish, 275 horse. Yeah, it's not amazing, but it's a gas motor. But this will be going in, like I said, probably right in this area on the passenger side. We'll actually be making a video of us doing all the work. Basically what I'm going to do is slide it underneath there. I bought 4 exhaust clamps. We'll kind of clamp it up, see how everything fits. If this way works better than that way, we're just going to test it. and then I'll go in and kind of tack weld the pieces together. And then when I'm actually ready to tack weld or weld the new exhaust onto the old exhaust, I'll slide everything together and weld it solid, and hopefully everything goes to plan. But I just want to make a video for you guys. Like I said, I'm super excited about this. I want to know what it sounds like. I mean, I figure it's going to be loud. But I think all this stuff, the piping kit, and the two tips, I got the tips are 2.5 to 4 inch exits, the same size I had on the truck before that rusted off. All that was like right at $200-ish. So it's going to take me a little bit of time to weld it and stuff, but I figured it'd be a great video for you guys, a great learning experience for me doing an exhaust. But I'm excited. I know Jimmy's probably excited for helping me and stuff like that. But yeah, that's going to be hopefully here soon, and then we're going to talk about the giveaway, so stay tuned, guys. So guys, I just want to talk about the giveaway I'm running. I actually teamed up with Aaron Smith. He is my guy at AMSOIL. We've done a few videos now together, but he actually sent me a case of their fuel additive. That's going to be the first part of the giveaway. The second part is you're going to get a GM t-shirt, a decal, a pair of sunglasses, a wrist bracelet, and also a travel coffee mug. And then you're also going to be winning a pair of jam handles. So basically how you're going to enter is if you have Facebook or Instagram, I'm going to put out a post. Every time I post and you tag me in the post, my personal page, Jacob_the GM Man, the GM Man page, the official GM Man page. If you're on Facebook and you tag my personal page in it, or if you tag Aaron Smith with his AMSOIL company, all that will be in the description. I'll put a little piece down in the very bottom. You can see all the rules and stuff. But if you tag any of us in it, that's one free entry. So we're trying to build the channel, so it's kind of me putting my money out there for you guys to share and hopefully spread the word, make the channel bigger. We just rolled over, I think, like 5,600 subscribers. So we're there, but I'm hoping with this giveaway we'll get a little bit bigger. Like I said, just tag me in the post. I'll take a screenshot of it. I'll write your name and stuff down. And if you guys want to enter more times, we actually have decals we'll be selling. So every decal you buy, we'll make it a certain amount of entries. I really haven't figured that out yet, but like I said, everything will be down in the description on entry giveaways and all that. And we're just going to kind of go from there. So like I said, all the information is going to be down in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.